Hey, what's going on guys, Oscar Mini here, and in today's video I just wanted to make a specification review for the Infinix Note 7 as I've decided to bring you guys content as often as I can. I didn't want this one falling off the radar, and so without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. At this point, we've come to know a lot of things about the devices, and by devices, I'm referring to the Infinix Note 7 and the Note 7 Lite, which are the devices in the Note series for 2020. First off, let's talk about the Infinix Note 7, and I'm going to run through its specifications and features quickly. It is a device with a 6.95-inch display, of which I would definitely call a tablet. I mean, that's a 7-inch display. The display should have this laser cutout or punch hole camera with a 16-megapixel lens at the top left corner of the screen, referred to as the Infinix O display, and there's this Corning Gorilla Glass protection on the panel. The rear features a 48-megapixel main lens and a quad camera array, something that looks like the OnePlus 7T or Nokia 7.2 implementation, but this time with 4 lenses. You get nothing more at the rear, as the fingerprint sensor is to the side, and that's applicable to the Lite version also. In terms of the battery, you get a 5000 mAh battery that will be charged up using an 18-watt charger from within the box, and this is actually done using a micro USB port and not USB Type-C. Processing should be a breeze here too, as it comes with the Helio G70 processor, which is aimed at high gaming performance, something I can't wait to get my hands on, and you get also 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage here. Okay, moving on to the Lite version. The Note 7 Lite is a smaller but still large 6.6-inch HD display device, still with the Infinity O or cutout display as the big brother, but this time with an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, featuring also a quad camera setup at the rear, and the design is similar to what you get on the recent Samsung devices. A lot of things like the battery capacity, USB ports are similar to the Note 7 itself, but you get a Helio P22 processor here with 4GB of RAM, hence performance obviously won't match up with the big brother, and you also get a regular 10-watt charger instead. Now, if there's something you might have forgotten, it is that there isn't any stylus for any of these devices, so you're losing the X Pen here. Why, you might ask, since it's a Note device? Well, your guess is as good as mine. So there you have it, the breakdown of the features for both the Infinix Note 7 and the 7 Lites. I should be able to lay my hands on one for the full and detailed review in the coming weeks when this device is available in this part. So if you loved this video, kindly hit on the like button and also subscribe, as those help us a bunch. Thanks for watching, and I'ma catch you in the next one. Cuídate. Okay.